My name is Joel Robinson and I'm the Digital and Technology Director at the Azzurri Group. The Azzurri Group is one of the UK's largest casual dining groups, and we operate 3 national brands, Ask Italian, Coco and Zizzi, across over 200 locations. We employ just over 5,500 staff and serve 13 million meals a year. So the vision of the Azzurri Group is to serve better with food businesses that nourish the need of our people, our customers, our planet and our partners. The focus of the Azzurri Group is really creating great dining experiences for all of our customers wherever they are. We really want them to have a great time in a beautifully designed environment with tasty, tempting food. So Zizzi was first founded in 1999. First restaurant opened in Chiswick, which is still going strong today. Since then, we've grown to over 135 restaurants in the UK and the Republic of Ireland. And Zizzi, from its very beginning, has always sought to innovate and bring those twists on Italian classics, whether that's our pasta crisps, our chorizo carbonara, our hand-stretched rustica pizzas, and restaurants that are individually designed for the town and community that they're a part of. The menu has evolved continuously over the last 24 years. We're constantly innovating to make sure that the menu is in line with consumer trends and bringing innovation to the table. We have a brilliant kids menu, our Bambini menu. We've got a huge selection of vegan and non-gluten options. We have set menus that we offer for that special occasion, and then a really broad a la carte menu that caters for all dietary requirements and occasions. In November of 2020, we launched probably our biggest menu change in Zizzi's history, where we brought loads of innovation to the table that has now made its way out nationally. We've got an amazing food development team that spend a lot of time out in different markets, different restaurants, understanding what's going on out there. We test that with our customers, and if they love that, we then roll that out across the business. We get feedback on every single dish, and we use that data to help us understand what our customers really love and where our opportunities to get even better. In October 2022, we launched the Zizzi Zillionaires Club, our in-house designed loyalty scheme. And the scheme works by rewarding customers each time they come and visit Zizzi, whether that is in our restaurant or at home. Our ambitions is to grow Zizzi into a super brand, and the Zillionaires Club has a really key part to play in that ambition. We want to use the Zillionaires Club to understand our customers better than ever before and offer them personalised offers and personalised experiences that really meet their needs. So our digital transformation started in January 2020, and we wanted to provide the UK's leading dining experiences and support that through thoughtful use of technology. No one comes to a restaurant to have a technology experience. They come to a restaurant to connect with their friends, with their family, with their colleagues. But we wanted to use technology to make that experience better. The first 2 innovations that we introduced as part of our digital transformation was Speedy Order and Pay and QSR Connect Smart Kitchen Management Systems to help our customers order and pay at their pace and to help our teams in the kitchen produce that food as and when the customers needed it and make sure everything came out at the right time, at the right quality. Speedy Order and Pay is our in-house development platform that allows our customers to order and pay in whatever combination they like. A customer can order through a team member, they can order on their phone, they can pay through a team member, they can pay through their phone in any combination they like. I can split the bill with my friends, I can leave a tip for the team. So we built a platform that really puts our guests in control and empowers them to decide exactly how they want to be served. We don't believe that technology should be developed or delivered in isolation from the rest of the proposition. So what we did at Zizzi was really look end to end, right through from kitchen design to menu design to service proposition, using technology to really answer the question of how can we put our customers in control of the experience and how can we make sure that we're delivering against their needs. We also did a huge amount of work on our menu engineering and our kitchen designs to introduce new equipment to enable us to produce more efficiently, and alongside that introduced QSR's Connect Smart Kitchen Management technology to help improve consistency and speed and efficiency within our kitchens. Click and collect and delivery has been a huge growth area for us Clearly, the COVID pandemic drove a material change in customer behaviour, and our delivery business is now significantly larger than it was going into the pandemic, and a lot of that increase in volume has remained. And that creates huge opportunities but also huge challenges. We're primarily a business that is designed around eating in, but our kitchen is increasingly creating orders for the out-of-restaurant market. And so creating the capacity within our kitchens to fulfill that order effectively and creating the experience for delivery drivers to collect that order without undermining the experience of our dining customers has been a problem we've spent quite a lot of time thinking about. In today's world, where you have customers ordering and paying on their own phone, the increasing growth of delivery and click and collect, it becomes harder and harder for the team to control the volume of orders into the kitchen. And so we were looking for technology that would support the team in doing that and make sure that we were able to serve our customers productively and effectively whilst not impacting quality. We chose QSR Connect Smart quite simply because it was by far the leading platform in the sector. We loved the ability to configure dish timings and dish routings on a course by course, dish by dish, site by site basis, which is really important when you have a business that operates in over 135 different sites. Those sites all look slightly different. The other huge advantage for QSR was the integration with our point of sale system. And that meant we were able to get up and running really quickly and start learning as soon as possible. Through introducing kitchen management software, we were primarily looking to improve the speed of service and grow sales through creating capacity in our restaurants, and then use that capacity to either serve more covers or to grow our average check size. And the system has allowed us to do all of those things. So when we were looking to improve speed of service across Zizzi, we built what we call internally the Zizzi Platform, which is a combination of three things. One, it's an improved menu that's engineered for speed and quality. Secondly, it's new kitchen equipment in our kitchens that help our teams produce food faster. And thirdly, it's the QSR Connect Smart kitchen management technology. All of those things work together to improve the speed at which we're able to serve our customers. So the great thing about living in a data-driven world is that everything's measurable. And so we took the sites that we had deployed the QSR Connect Smart kitchen management system to and measured them across 14 different metrics around speed of service, sales growth, covers growth, employee satisfaction, and compared their trajectory with the trajectory of all the sites that didn't have the kitchen management platform. And we've seen benefits across 13 out of 14 of those measures there where they have improved above and beyond the rest of the estate that didn't have the new Zizzi kitchen platform, including the QSR systems within them. So on the speed of service, we measure the number of items that we produce every hour, and we saw they grew by over 5% relative to the rest of the estate. So that's real evidence that the platform is allowing us to serve our customers faster. So faster service allows us to sell more items, and we've seen a significant improvement in participation in the Zizzi platform sites versus the non-Zizzi platform sites. So underpinned by this mixture of technology, kitchen equipment and new menu, we've seen a growth in participation of over 2%. So customers are ordering more because they have more time at the table because we're getting food and drink out to them quicker. The other thing that we've seen a huge improvement with is team member satisfaction. So like most companies, we measure our team satisfaction on a very regular basis. And what we've seen is significant reduction in turnover and an increase in retention, particularly for our chef teams, because they love working with the system, and an over 10 percentage point improvement in employee NPS, showing that when you give great digital tools and great equipment to team members, you really do see the results. The other area that we looked to understand was improvements in our out-of-restaurant business. So we measured missing item percentages and tablet availability, and we did that to help us assess whether the technology has helped us to assemble orders more accurately and miss fewer items in the packaging that's going out to the aggregators. Firstly, is it helping us to be more accurate in how we package and assemble those orders, and we've seen that it is. We saw a 1 percentage point decrease in missing items over and above the rest of the estate. The second thing we looked at was tablet availability. So is the platform enabling our kitchens to be much more confident in remaining open and fulfilling their out of restaurant demand rather than having to turn it off because they're too busy and don't have the capacity to create those out of restaurant orders. And we saw again about a percentage point improvement in busy mode compared to the rest of the estate. So summing that all up, we've taken quite a forensic approach to really understand whether the investment in new technology, in new kitchen equipment, in new menu is paying back. And we're now really confident that it is, and are in the process of rolling the platform out incrementally across the Zizzi brand. It's currently in about 50 of our sites, and we've got plans to expand that across the company over the next few years. Connect Smart Kitchen is enabling us to measure productivity in a way that we've never been able to before. The primary measure from QSR for us is speed of service and bump time within that. So our target is that all of our dishes should be produced in 12 minutes or less, end to end. We're currently achieving that over 80% of the time. The data that's coming out of the Connect Smart platform is really helping us understand how often we're achieving that, but where we're not, understanding why, being able to support our teams, whether that's through coaching and training, but also identify bottlenecks in our menu design and menu engineering process, where we can take those learnings and roll them back out across the whole estate. The data that QSR Connect Smart is throwing off is now used in our menu development process to help us understand where we have opportunities to improve the brand-wide proposition, and is used in our operations team to understand where we have opportunities to improve site-level performance. We love the Connect Smart system, and most importantly, our team members love it as well. You can see that in the employee NPS data. You can see it in the conversations that we have when we visit the restaurants that have the system. They love it. Sites that are getting it are really excited to have it, and they can see the benefit it gives them, and we can see the benefit it gives to our customers. We're really proud of the digital transformation we've delivered over the last few years, but there's loads more to come over the coming months. And all of it is designed to do the same thing, which is improve and enhance the customer experience and improve and enhance our team member experience.